Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brian Kelly here, coming to you from my driveway here in Garner, North Carolina. I just wanted to say thanks for stopping by this morning, taking a look at this video. I am the owner and operator and administrator of the Top Secret Wealth Plan program, the program that pays you $140 over and over and over and over again. Just want to make a short video to just kind of let you know what this program, is all about, and why, if you've not joined, why I think that you should join. Now, there are other opportunities out there that are the same amount of money to get in, but the only thing about these opportunities I'm finding is that they don't pay a lot of money. All right, and so what it is, this past weekend, I got a phone call from a lady, and she was asking me some questions about the program, and I answered them. And one of the big questions that she asked me was, is there like a residual income part of this program where you'll be paid, of course, month after month, kind of guaranteed? And I told her that we don't have that in this program. This is, completely direct sales. You get paid one time, for each sale that's made for you. And so she was like, okay, so I kind of explained to her. And I told her that, there's a particular program out there, I won't say its name, it's a very good program, but they focus on the long-term residual effect, whereas I'm focused more so on the short-term, just giving you as much as possible up front, as opposed to having, the residual income, because in reality, that very rarely happens. And the reason why I say that is because most people who get involved in an opportunity, okay, I mean, this is really bad to say, but most of them who get involved in an opportunity, if they're not making money within their first week, within their first 2 weeks, within their first month, then they just quit and they go on to something else. On Facebook every day I see how some, new companies popped up or new opportunities popped up, and these people throw all their money into something, and then if it doesn't work, they just quit and they go to something else. It's like it's a vicious cycle. And so, I was telling her, the thing about it is, if, let's say, for instance, you get into a program, just want, say, 150 to start, okay? Now, this program, for each person that gets involved in your program, okay, they're going to pay you, say, $25. Let's say $20 here, okay? So, in essence, it's going to take you 7 sales just to actually 7/8 sales just to break even. All right, and in this industry, because there's so much competition, it's really competition amongst your own, people who are in the same opportunity, and also competition because there's so many opportunities out there. Okay, and so the competition is stiff, and it's going to take you 7 or 8 sales just to break even. That's hard to do, and people just don't have time for that. And so if they do, quit, then, they've lost however much money they have invested in the program. And, and that's not a good thing, because it's like a repetitive thing over and over again, and you never get ahead. And so what I say is, you gotta, you have to know, when you get in these type of opportunities, it's not overnight success. I don't care what anyone tells you, it's not overnight success. It does take some work. And in this opportunity in particular, the kind of work I'm talking about is to take a postcard, put a stamp on it. I'm giving you the leads. I give you a postcard template that you can use. All you have to do is put a stamp on a postcard and drop it in the mail. That's it. I mean, can you do that? Or if you don't have the funds to do that, well, what about going on Facebook and placing some ads on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram? A guy I spoke with this past weekend, he's thinking outside the box. He's placing some ads on Craigslist. And Craigslist is huge, and you get really, really good response. And he told me he paid I think it's like $45 for to place the ad on Craigslist, and it's for 60 days. And you can make a ton of money just doing that alone. Okay, so there's so many creative ways that you can do to market this program. It's a fantastic program, and you can make some money with this thing. Okay, so getting back to what I was saying earlier. Now, yes, my program does not offer a residual income. Okay, the way it works, of course, is for every sale that I make for you, that first of all, it costs $150 to get in. For every sale that I make for you, you get paid $140. So let's do the math here. For every one sale that you make, if you make one sale, you pretty much got your investment back. Okay, so worst case scenario, let's say for instance, you get in this program, you do some marketing, you make a sale after a week or 2 weeks, whatever, I don't know. And after that, you got your money back pretty much, and you decide, you know what, I don't know, I don't really want to do this program anymore. Well, my question to you is, what have you lost? You haven't really lost anything, okay? You've made your money back. That's why I got this program together. I said what I wanted to do was I wanted it, so that a person can make the most money up front as possible. When I first started this program, I was paying people $100. I was making $50. I said that's not good enough, so I wanted to change it. I went from you guys making $100 to making $130. Then I was only making $20. And I said, well, you know what? That's still not good enough. I think I can do better. So what I went from, you guys getting paid $140, I'm making $10. I'm making $10 not a lot of money, but the thing about it is I want this program to go big. And I figure if I pay you guys as much as I possibly can, then you'll promote this program and you'll do well with it, and you'll make money, I'll make money, we'll all be happy. Okay, that's my rationale behind this whole thing. And so again, if for some reason you decided to just you made one sale and you decided to quit and go on to something else, that's fine, but at least you made your money back. You didn't lose anything. So that's my whole point. People in this business, a lot of them, they're not professional network marketers and so forth. They're in this thing just to, pay some bills. Maybe they have a credit card due, or, maybe they have some child care or whatever. And a lot of them are not looking to make, $1 zillion a year, but to make an extra $1,000 a month or $500 a month, that right there can help significantly. That can pay a car payment. That can, put a big dent in your rent or your mortgage. And so this thing is specifically designed just to do that. And you have all the tools in place, for you to do that. You're basically sending out a postcard and basically just getting the video out there. The video, the TopSecretWealthPlan.com video, that is a video that people would look at and people would listen to, and they'd end up calling me directly. And then I get the PIN number from them. I close the sale for you, and then I send you the information on how to pay, how they want to pay, whether it be Cash App, which is outstanding. I mean, you get your money right away, or you can do the second-day priority mail, which people still do. So either way you look at it, it's a good program, all the way around. And again, people are making money. And I'm not talking about just big superstars. I'm talking about average folks who never made money in this arena before. They're actually doing well. They're actually making money. They're actually making progress. And so when I see that, I'm very happy, to know that our program is making a big difference in people's lives. So that's all I really wanted to say. I just, again, if you're on the fence and you have questions, feel free to give me a call. I answer my phone, and and if I don't, just leave me a voicemail. I'll call you back, or you can text me, or you can email me. I don't have anything to hide, and would love to talk to you. I'd love to answer your questions. So hey, just give me a call, and if you have your questions, I'd love to hear from you. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready to start my day. Looks like I'm gonna go have me some. They have a really good Indian buffet in Durham. It takes about 30 minutes to get there, so we're gonna drive out there, have a little bit of Indian cuisine, and come back to the house and do whatever. Okay. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day, and I will chat with you a little bit later. I may be making another video later on this afternoon. Okay. Talk to y'all later. Bye.